Hi guys, good evening. This is Mike Padua and we are back to our latest analysis for this weekend of Friday through Monday, March 18 to 21, 2022. So this is our English version for this Typhoon 2000 update. Let's proceed with our latest situation across the Philippine Islands. Here's the graph set that we created a few hours ago. This is valid until tomorrow, Saturday. The Philippine Islands is free of any major weather systems except for the localized thunderstorms, which has been prevailing across various portions of our country because of the existing La Niña Phenomenon. And we have here a fast-moving frontal system over the country of Japan, which is moving so fast towards the east-northeast at a speed of 25 knots. And alongside to the southwest of this frontal system is a cold front, which is affecting briefly Batanes and Babuyan-Cubao Islands. So there could be some cool conditions, but it is only a short time, okay? And by tomorrow and to Sunday, it will start to return to our usual hot conditions. So expect some possible cloudy and showery conditions across these islands. But all across the Philippine Islands, good weather will be expected. But in the afternoon or evening, we expect these localized thunderstorms. As we speak, we have a weakening large cluster of thunderstorms over central and northern Luzon, which is now escaping over the eastern coastline of Luzon, and it's expected to dissipate within the next few hours. And tomorrow morning, good weather will prevail, and in the afternoon or evening, another round of thunderstorms will be expected in various sections of the country. Outside of PAR, we don't have any developing LPAs or tropical cyclone in sight for the next 5 to 10 days. Even the latest typhoon global models doesn't show anything. We have here a moderate intertropical convergence zone affecting the Micronesia. And by the way, areas which may be affected by these localized thunderstorms must be aware of possible flash floods and landslides when we have heavy downpour generated by these local thunderstorms. So there you go. That's the latest from our GovSat. Let's take a look at the fast animation. You can clearly see here the emergence of thunderstorms as the afternoon to early evening progresses. And if you take a look at the windy.com zoom-in satellite animation, infrared imagery, here's the localized thunderstorms over central and northern Luzon escaping towards the east and slowly weakening, while the whole of the archipelago is returning to clear skies. If we take a look at the wind forecast for the next 3 days, at this moment in time, at this evening, Friday, the Philippine Islands are experiencing some variable winds with some from the east. And by tomorrow afternoon, Saturday, the easterlies will again prevail across the eastern sections of Bicol, eastern sections of Visayas, and eastern Mindanao, while some northeasterly to easterly winds will be expected across the Batanes and Babuyan-Cubao Islands because of the departing frontal system, which triggered some east-northeast to easterly winds. And on Sunday afternoon, the winds will return more, intensifying more from the east. The warm easterlies will return back across the Philippine Islands over extreme northern Luzon, the eastern sections of Luzon, as well as the Bicol region, eastern Visayas, portions of central and western Visayas as well, and the eastern coastal areas of Mindanao. And on Monday afternoon, the same wind system will be expected across the eastern sections of the country, penetrating across the southern Tagalog provinces like Metro Manila, and also the areas of northern Palawan, Calamian Group, and to the west of Romblon, while over the eastern sections of the Visayas, there will be also winds from the east, while variable winds will be expected across the island of Mindanao. Southeasterly winds will be expected across extreme northern Luzon, including Batanes and Babuyan Cubab Islands. Now, let's take a look at the rain forecast for the next 3 days until Monday. This is from the European model through the windy.com app. By tomorrow afternoon, we expect more thunderstorms to occur across southern sections of northern Luzon, central Luzon, including Calabar Zone, which also includes Metro Manila, Bicol region, eastern Visayas, Mindoro, and various sections of Mindanao. So these are the areas where isolated thunderstorms will again occur by noontime up to early evening. So it depends. Sometimes forecasts tend to be delayed. When we say delayed, sometimes when the forecast shows a thunderstorm in the around 2 p.m., but in reality it arrives around 4 or 5 p.m. or late afternoon. So just don't forget to bring your umbrellas and jackets or raincoats when we have these localized thunderstorms in the afternoon. Remember, we're still over the effects. We are still in the effects of the La Niña Phenomenon. And if we move to Sunday, we continue to expect more thunderstorms across the Visayas and Mindanao, becoming more intense over northern Soxigen and the Zamboanga Peninsula. And also some isolated thunderstorms will be expected over the central portions of Luzon, including Metro Manila, Calabar Zone, northern Luzon. So expect these thunderstorms to continue to occur in the afternoon of Sunday. And on Monday afternoon, decreasing thunderstorms will be expected across Luzon, on the small areas of Ilocos region and Calabar Zone, including Metro Manila, and also smaller areas, I think, of the Bicol region and eastern Visayas. It will be more intense here over the western sections of Mindanao, as well as southern Sulu and northern Palawan. So that's the forecast for the next 3 days until Monday afternoon. And if we take a look at the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days until Monday, so the bulk of the rainfall and thunderstorms will be on the island of Mindanao, with some isolated over the Visayan region, and also over portions of Palawan, southern Sulu, and also over the mountainous areas of northern Luzon. That includes the Sierra Madre and the Cordillera, Benguet Mountains. So expect some thunderstorms there, and some areas of Zambales mountain range, and also over the central portions of Luzon. So these are isolated thunderstorms that is expected in a span of 3 days every afternoon or early evening. And it shows here that the bulk of the rainfall is focused over the island of Mindanao. So there you go. That's the latest for this Friday until Monday. So you have an idea what will be the weather in store for the whole of the Philippine Islands. So don't forget to bring your rain gear or umbrella during the afternoon, since we have an increasing high heat index reaching tops of 38 to more than 40 degrees here in Bicol region, with various weather station. Our partners with Typhoon 2000 recorded high heat index of 38 to 41 degrees Celsius. So the only remedy for that is to drink lots of water for us to battle this high heat index, or the too much heat, because of the start of the hot dry season. But again, there are thunderstorms, rainfall in between these hot conditions because of the prevailing La Niña conditions. So there you go. Again, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Happy weekend to all. And thank you so much for watching our channel.